Last time Bitcoin did this, it shot up 135%. Is that about to happen again? All of that and more in today's video. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. 2022 is about to start. You want to make 2022 the best year yet, but there's one problem. You're not getting the results you want in Bitcoin and in your altcoins. You know that. It's too much stress. You're not getting the profits that you want. I'm here to help. I have your solution. I've helped so many people just like you turn it around. Our courses and indicators have minted many, many millionaires. And maybe if you're not reaching that millionaire status, you're going to have tremendous success, way less stress. That's what you need. You need that. You've been looking for that. I have your solution. And right now, the time is almost up. We have a massive holiday blowout sale, the biggest of the entire year, and this is your last chance to get those massive savings. There's no sale on the courses and indicators for the next 9 months. You're gonna miss out if you don't go sign up right now. These have been on fire this year. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. You're going to scoop up your courses right here. This is the all-in-one. You're going to get indicator alerts right to your phone, right to your email. You're going to get my strategy with the courses, step-by-step, walk you through everything, right from step one of how to set up the chart. Go get it right now. This also has 3 free bonuses included in it. Okay, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. You see the link right there. It's linked down below. 75% off, but this is your last chance. Time is running out. Go sign up right now. Now, if you're somebody in need, you've been wanting to sign up for these courses for a long time, they're just a little bit out of your price range. What I want you to do is write me an email. This is the holiday season. I love to give back. People that are truly in need, I'm going to give that little extra help that you've been looking for. So if you're a single mom, a single dad, a veteran, someone that's been drastically affected by COVID, maybe you lost your job, you're in a tough spot. If you're truly in a tough spot, send me an email. If you're from a less fortunate country, send me an email right now. info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. This is the holiday season. Let's get you signed up. You better send that email right away because the clock is ticking. There's only a couple days left on this, and then it's gone for the next 9 months. info@CryptoCrewUniversity.com. The link is right here to sign up. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Now to our chart. Last time we did this, Bitcoin shot up 135%. Take a look at what we're seeing here. Let's start with price action. Price action, we're holding our 50-week, right? We breached our 50-week. We didn't close below it as resistance. We just breached the body here. But what's more important, what we always talk about on this channel, and again, we've been making videos on Bitcoin since 2017. One of our favorite things to talk about is a stochastic RSI. It's a momentum. And what you see right here is a cross. What we talked about last week is watch for a cross. Well, we just officially got that cross. What does that mean? That means our momentum is heading up now. What you want to see is it confirming above the 20. But before we get there, let's just talk about the last time that we were right on the 50-week and we just had a cross up. Well, if you look backwards, it happened right here. It happened right around July. Look, we had a cross and hey, by the way, we were right holding on that 50-week. Yes, we had a body breach below, but it wasn't holding as resistance. It's the exact same scenario we're in now. We're on the 50-week, we have a cross. So last time we went up 135%. How about this time? Let's come back to this in a moment. One of the things that everybody is looking at is, not everybody, our channel is looking at is the NVT HV, okay? What we see here is we're still red. And simply put, when we're red, we're bullish. When we're white, we're bearish. It's as simple as that. And again, I'm just reading the facts in the charts right now. No emotion, no drama, no news, just the facts. I'm not telling you what I hope to happen or what might happen. I'm just reading the facts. And the facts are, when this is red, it's bullish. When it's white, it's bearish. It's very simple. And the biggest move of the year happens when we go below this 40 level, okay? This means that our volatility has been falling. It's been falling, our volatility has, since this peak in April. What you want to see is us go below this 40 level and come out in red, and that means the very, very large move is upon us. We're not there quite yet. What you see in the RSI on the weekly chart is the RSI is still bearish. Again, this is not my opinion, and you may say, there may be somebody in the herd right now that's like, oh, Steve keeps changing his opinion between bull and bear. That means you've completely missed the point of our videos. It's gone completely over your head. What we're doing is we're reading the charts. It's like somebody reading a book to you. You can say, oh, why do they keep changing between fiction and nonfiction? They're reading a book. If you show them the book, they will read it to you. So I'm reading you this book. This is the RSI on the weekly. If you look at the 10-year history of Bitcoin, this is a pretty critical level. And right now we're below it. That's just a fact. You can see we're below it here. You can also see that we took out our pivot low here of September. Not really good, but what you want to see is the bigger picture here. We created our low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. What you want to see Bitcoin do is take out this high here and get higher than 69 and continue this big picture uptrend that we've been in for a few years. It's not good that we took out this pivot low, but it's good news that we didn't take out this pivot low. If we took out this pivot low, this whole process of this momentum that we've been in for a few years would be in question. We did not take out this pivot low, so we're still okay, but we want to take out this pivot high of 69. Now, back to the picture of last time this happened, and you can see it clearly here. We were on the 50-week. We had a stochastic RSI cross, and by the way, we were still bearish with the RSI. All of those things are true today. We're still bearish with the RSI. We just had a stochastic cross, and we're right on the 50-week. These are all great, great things. What we want to see here is a bounce off of this. We want to see a confirmation of our stochastic RSI. We want to see these lines get above this 20 level, and we want to see our dominoes continue to fall. In yesterday's video, when we talked about what's happening on the daily chart, we talked about those small dominoes starting to fall. We broke this resistance level with our trend in the RSI. We're back above the 200-day. We have a MACD cross. These are all these dominoes on the daily chart, these small dominoes that are starting to collect and fall into each other, and we want it to turn into bigger dominoes. And the bigger dominoes are on the weekly chart, and that's what we're starting to see with the stochastic RSI cross and holding this 50-week. This is what we want to see, and I wanted to share this with you because we're getting close to starting to see those bigger dominoes fall. And it's very fascinating to see that we're in the exact situation as we were with these candles back here in July of this year. So pay close attention to this chart as we continue, and we are going to have another video tomorrow explaining some further details about these dominoes and what you should expect heading into the year of 2022 with Bitcoin. But the big picture is try to remain level-headed. Don't get emotionally attached to the day-to-day price actions because they are meaningless. Try to look for these larger moves that take place because they don't happen often, but if you get caught up in the day-to-day, you're going to lose sight of the bigger play. And also, just keep your eye on the big picture for Bitcoin. Every year, it gains on average about 173%. So if you just bought Bitcoin a few years ago and you're still holding, you're fine. You don't need to trade in and out of things. And if you're looking to make, just 1 or 2 or 3 big buys of Bitcoin per year, my courses will help you dramatically. Even if you want to day trade Bitcoin, which I don't recommend, my courses will help you. But for those people that just want to buy once or twice or 3 times per year, my courses will be a game changer. If you want to be a swing trader, you want to get in and out of trades, once a week, once a month, my courses will be a game changer. Time is running out on this holiday blowout sale. This is your last chance. You've got to wake up. This is your last chance. You've been wanting these courses for a long time. 75% off. This is the largest sale we've ever had, and it's about to go away, and you're about to miss out. So go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Sign up right now. If you're somebody in need and these are a little bit out of your price range, send me an email right now because I'm going to help you. Put in the subject, please help. My email is info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'm talking to you if you're a single mom, single dad, a veteran, somebody that was drastically affected by COVID, or you're from a less fortunate country. Send me an email if you want to sign up and it's a little bit out of your price range, all right? So I'll see you right back here in tomorrow's video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.